So I'm getting ready to make me some lavender and rosemary oil. I know my plants are struggling because I haven't cleaned them out, but they are still, producing. These are plants that can withstand weather. We just had snow here in North Carolina, and they are still producing. So I'm gonna pull off some. This one is my lavender, and this is my rosemary. And so we'll take this and you will steep it in whatever kind of oil you like to use for your hair. For me, that will be olive oil. So I already have the oil on, and it's just regular olive oil that I use for cooking in my hair. I'm going to add these herbs to it and move it around. With a sizzle, we are going to steep this for maybe 5 minutes, and then we'll strain it and let it cool. Let me turn it down some, and we'll be back. Now that it has cooled off, I have added a few drops of lavender oil. Lastly, I will be using my funnel here to just pour the oil in. Not gonna really strain it because these are big pieces. If you wanted to get in the bottle, it's not gonna hurt anything. And so here you have it. This is my lavender rosemary oil with a little lavender essential oil for fragrance. And this is what I will use to moisturize my locks. Have a piece in there, that's fine. It'll come out.